Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe at home. This week for String Ensemble, we'll be working through a couple pieces which I'll show you in a minute and explain to you what we'll be doing. But before we do that, I'd like to show you how to tune your instrument at home. So I'm going to do this using an app called ClearTune, which I'll put up on my screen in just a second to show you how it's done. Okay, so here we are in ClearTune, and as you can see, as I talk, we can see the letters and the needle go backwards and forwards. So before we start using ClearTune, I just want to go into the little eye down the bottom, and what I would like you to make sure that you do is set this number in A4 calibration to 442. So this is the tuning frequency that orchestras use around the world to tune your instruments to, and I'd like you to do the same. So we're going to start by using the A string to start off with. So as you can see, this one, the A is pretty much in tune, but I'm going to show you what happens when the A is a little flat. So you'll see that the A doesn't line up with the green needle. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate the fine tuner for the A string over here clockwise. Until we get the A in tune. Then we're going to do the same thing for the D string. And then also for the G string. And lucky last, we'll go to the E string. And there you have it, your violin is tuned. So this week, I would like you to work on William Tell Overture and Grandpa's Precinct. And to do this, I'm going to be filming some tutorials for you for each of the individual sections for you to practice along to with at home. Once you've done a bit of practice, if you could record yourself playing along to the metronome at the tempo indicated on the score, if you can send that back to me so I can listen to that and give you some feedback as to what you need to work on. Look forward to seeing those videos. Thank you.